Robert?
Robert.
Robert, who's this, Rick?
This is Rick.
Robert, how are y'all?
All right, doing good.
We can beat these devils. We will beat these devils. But everybody has to work together. We're trying to get the family back in the power of love. We're trying to get the family back in the power of love. We're trying to get the family back in the power of love. We can beat these devils. We will beat these devils. But everybody has to work together. We're trying to get the family back in the power of love. But everybody has to work together. We're trying to get the family back in the power of love. But everybody has to work together.
Adam had 2 wives, and they don't know that. And the rabbis who do know it won't stand up and I know the rabbis are laughing. They won't stand up and say, well, that argument where God said a marriage is only for one man and one woman. If you're basing that on the Bible and Adam's story, not. You're wrong, because Adam's first wife's name was Lilith. And it's recorded in the Jewish Talmud, it's recorded in the Zohar in Hebrew, but you'll never see it in King James because it's not meant for you. When the country splits between religion and state, and it's part of a prophecy, and there's more people in the religious sector of America than in the political or judicial sector of America. The conflict that they were trying to promote between African Americans and Euro Americans in America with all this new cocktail and all that stuff, the thing they were trying to get the revolution or the raising of the South again has backfired on them, because now they done stirred up mixed a whole new group of people that are coming forth now, and these are good old girls and good old boys. So this is going to grow, and it's going to become a more prominent argument, because it's like, do we alter the Constitution? You see, can we alter the Constitution? And that's where their problem is coming in, and that's not our battle, that's their battle. And if them jigaboos, the porch monkeys get involved, they're stupid. We don't get into that. Our philosophy is no one wins the race of racism. You all go and fight your religious battle. So that's part of the prophecy. Next part of the prophecy that y'all need to know is that what y'all see with the migration of all these people, that's not a coincidence. They have a philosophy in the European world, 1% of any other gene does not belong to the white race. That's what they say. Well, what's going to happen in the next generation in Europe with all of these migrants coming in there who are not of the Caucasian species? What's going to happen when they intermingle and intermarry in Germany and all these different countries? There'll be no more pure Caucasian race. They will get amalgamated into this new breed. That's what they meant by the end of their time. Everybody's looking for some flying saucer to come and zap them, like roaches. And no, nature has its own way of doing things. That was like, all of a sudden you just woke up on one day and said, what's going on? There's thousands of people migrating and dying in the water. That's nature doing that. That's nature at work. So all you got to do is sit back, mind your business, and stay out of it. But our people are so damn nosy. They always got their face and everything, trying to get their voice heard. That them people put them there and ask them, what do you think about this? And while you're talking about that, tell us about this, Black Lives Matter. They keep pushing things back and forth like that. The new world is a mesh of humanity, and it's happening everywhere, and they can't handle it, because they will no longer be the dictators over everybody's lives. China is now powerful. India is powerful. Asia is powerful. And Africa is growing. And everybody has their own minds. And we don't, I don't want your religion, Islam. I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? Keep it wonderful. Muhammad was a nice guy in the desert. All that's good. His turban was a little too tight. He was okay. I don't need it. I don't need a white Jesus. I don't need a African Shango. I don't need none of that stuff to be human. That's where the problem is. Everybody's trying to come. I'm the one. I keep telling everybody, you're pop, you're this pop. I said, I ain't nobody. I'm trying to make me somebody just so you can find faults in me. They like to turn you into something holy, just so they can watch you so close. Look, he's drunk. I knew it. Then you go all the way from holy to the Antichrist. That's what people do. They just tell me all the time, Pop, we know you're Jesus. We know you're Jesus. I'm saying I'm not Jesus. I'm not Jesus, right? Okay, just so we can get in the bus and get to the picnic, okay? I'm Jesus. I told you he was. I'm like, my goodness. That's how people are. They're crazy. They're like, I got a message that came through me for you. That's important. Get the message. Let's move on. But don't make me something so you can find fault in me.